Hi guys, what you doing and how you doing? I'm back after a long gap. Again, I'm back with this video. I have created quite a bold look, like not at all a basic look, pretty bold and highlights the whole and entire look of the eye and face. So I just love these kind of looks. This is not at all basic. I know this is not everybody is going to love, which is okay. Everybody has different taste. Everybody has different preferences when it comes to makeup and all. So personally, I love such kind of looks. This is my personal choice. सो जितना आप लंबा वीडियो देखोगे उतने में आपको पता लगेगा कि हाउ टू क्रिएट ईच एंड एवरी स्टेप आपको ईच एंड एवरी स्टेप में क्या करना क्या है इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन मेकअप एंड ऑल only then if you're a basic girl good for you but if somebody is creative and somebody is really wanting to somebody really want to level up their look and level up their creativity then they are here then please this is for you, this is really literally for you, and others can enjoy the video and enjoy the process how it's been creating and किस तरह से ये बनता है ये आई look या किस तरह से create किया जाता है. You can just enjoy simply if you don't want to create, so it's okay. Everybody has different preferences as I said. तो चलिए ये था आज का लुक. लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो. अब और ज़्यादा बात नहीं करूँगी. सो देखिए किस तरह से मैंने आई क्रिएट किया है. ओके देन. So, guys, how the look is looking, like how the eyes, which I've created, how it's looking. It's how I have created today's look. Let me know how it's looking. And I know this is like not basic look, not everyday look, but sometimes what I feel like I have to create something different, something like more than a basic. So, and you clearly know now that I'm not a basic girl when it comes to makeup, styling yourself. सो ये था मेरा आज का क्रिएट किया हुआ आइज़ लुक। मुझे बताना कैसा लग रहा है और नेक्स्ट टाइम व्हाट काइंड ऑफ लुक यू वांट मी टू सी एंड व्हाइल क्रिएटिंग इट। यू वांट समथिंग बेसिक, यू वांट समथिंग नेचुरल, यू वांट समथिंग ऑफिस लुक ऐसा कुछ और यू वांट मी टू क्रिएट समथिंग लाइक दिस ओनली। सो लेट मी नो। टिल देन गाइस जस्ट टेक केयर एंड बाय बाय।